Namaskar. On the dais, Justice Sanjay Karol, Honorable Judge, Supreme Court of India, Justice Sri Ujjal Bhuyan, Honorable Judge, Supreme Court of India, Advocate Sri Ashish, Shelar, Honorable Minister for Cultural Affairs and Information Technology, Justice Manish Pitale, Honorable Judge, Bombay High Court, Justice Hiten Venegavkar, Honorable Judge, Bombay High Court, former judges of Bombay High Court, Sri Nilesh, Tribhuvan, President, Association of Indian Law Firms, Srimati Akruti, Raizada, Founder and Managing Editor, Legal Era Media Group, Dr. Prashant, Narnaware, Secretary to the Governor, Senior Advocates, General Counsels and Law Firm Partners, the most distinguished recipients of the annual Legal Era India Legal Awards. Ladies and gentlemen, I feel honored to felicitate some of our outstanding legal luminaries at the 15th Legal Era India Legal Awards 2026. I extend my heartiest congratulations to each of today's distinguished awardees. The Association of Indian Law Firms and the Legal Era Media Group deserve our sincere appreciation for organizing this awards ceremony and for recognizing the exemplary contribution of these legal luminaries to the nation. I also commend the Ministry of Law and Justice, Government of India, and the Law of Judiciary Department, Government of Maharashtra for their valuable support to this event. Completing 15 years is a significant milestone for any institution. I congratulate Legal Era and the AILF on this landmark achievement and wish them continued success in the years ahead. The legal profession forms the background of a just and equitable society. It is the collective endeavor of lawyers, judges, corporate counsels and arbitrators that transforms the Constitution's promises into lived realities for every citizen. In a nation as complex and diverse and aspirational as Bharat, the legal profession carries a responsibility of profound significance and far-reaching impact. Today, India is on the cusp of becoming a global economic powerhouse. Our GDP growth, our digital infrastructure, our manufacturing ambitions under Atmanirbhar Bharat, all of these result ultimately on the quality and integrity of our legal and regulatory framework. It is the lawyers seated in this room who draft the contracts, argue the disputes, counsel the corporations, and protect the rights that make India a reliable and attractive destination for India's investment, commerce and growth. Mumbai and Maharashtra hold a special place in India's legal landscape. The Bombay High Court, established in 1862, is one of the oldest and most respected high courts in the nation. Maharashtra is home to some of India's most distinguished law firms, the largest concentration of corporate legal departments, and a bar that has produced legends of the profession. The government of Maharashtra is deeply committed to strengthening this legal ecosystem. I am pleased to see the Association of Indian Law Firms, AILF, emerging as the apex institutional voice of India's organized legal profession. India has long needed such a body, and I commend Sri Nilesh Tribhuvan and his team for turning this vision into reality. As Governor, I also serve as Chancellor of 29 state-funded public universities across Maharashtra. These institutions host several distinguished law departments, colleges and schools that have long contributed to the development of legal education in the state. In this context, I would like to urge the Association of Law Firms to actively engage with our universities. A closer partnership can help in creating contemporary, practice-oriented curricula aligned with emerging legal domains, strengthening clinical education, and fostering research on evolving regulatory and technological challenges. I also encourage the creation of structured apprenticeship and internship opportunities within leading law firms, enabling our students to gain meaningful exposure to real-world legal practice. Such collaboration will not only enhance the employability of our graduates, but also build a robust talent pipeline for the legal profession. The Indian Legal Award jury, chaired by former Chief Justice of India, Justice Deepak Mishra, and former Supreme Court Judge, Justice B.N. Sri Krishna, have done an outstanding selection of the awardees. They deserve our wholehearted appreciation. To all the awardees this evening, your achievements reflect not only professional excellence, but also a commitment to justice, integrity, and service. The nation is proud of you. I also acknowledge the General Counsels and Chief Legal Officers present here as the unsung pillars of Indian business. You navigate complexities, manage risk, enable commerce, and uphold the highest standards of governance. Finally, the presence of sitting judges of the Supreme Court and the Bombay High Court underscores the respect and credibility of this event commands. I congratulate the organizers once again and wish the 15th Annual Legal Era Indian Legal Awards every success. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Maharashtra. Namaskar.